What's up, conductors? Welcome back to another episode of All the Miniature Railways, the show where we visit all the miniature railways within the UK. Today we are here in Rhyl for the Rhyl Miniature Railway. Very pleasant looking steam train sort of design with enclosed rather comfortable carriages and actually quite a grand pleasant station design. You don't see this way too often, so
yeah, it's more than just a little park railway, this, isn't it?
well, yeah, of course, but still.
Okay. As Simon said, this is the Rhyl Miniature Railway at the Marine Lake, which does the circuit of. I have read that this claims to be the oldest miniature railway in the country, although I note in the leaflet we got for it that it only says it's been running here for 80 years, so perhaps that's true, perhaps it isn't. We're going to ride this one, Clara. They are genuine steam locomotives, I think, or at least some of them are. I'm not sure about this one. And yeah, should be good. Okay. It's a good job we have a choice of indoor or outdoor carriages here, because it is the weather is a bit changeable today, so we're indoors.
Apologies if it's going to be a lot of sort of rainy footage, but
you will understand.
Better that than us getting zapped to death by our equipment.
So I'm guessing it does a full circuit of the Marine Lake.
Would you like to film this one? I know I normally film these.
Okay. Well, yeah, it's a bit of a play park.
Try and keep it away from the windows because you might get focus issues.
There's Main Street going towards the centre of Rhyl. This is at the far end of the promenade towards Conway Bay at that end. Are we the only passengers? No, I don't think we are.
No, there's a family behind us.
Okay.
Another indoor carriage. Also, if you're of a larger sort of body type and you've got somebody sat next to you, it will be a bit intimate.
Yeah. There's some sort of...
Great for romanticism, though.
Yeah.
So if you're an avid watcher of the channel and somehow managed to get yourself a girlfriend,
Yeah.
we recommend you come here.
Some of the business premises, so there's like little level crossings for the train has to whistle to more people. And yeah, we are quite close up to the Marine Lake here. Guessing on real bad days it gets sprayed, or perhaps the train doesn't run there.
When you say that as though we haven't just been peppered by rain.
Yeah. Yeah, there's pleasant rockiness here.
Views of the lake here were actually very pleasant.
Nobody's actually on the lake on it. No yachts or rowing boats today.
It's not really the weather for that, is it?
Yeah.
greenery on this side. So hard to get unblurry footage of the outside when you're filming through rainy windows, so sorry if the footage suffers a little bit here. For the price, it's a very long ride actually.
Yeah.
I mean, we're not going at 1,000,000 miles an hour, but
No. Yeah, it's a trundle, isn't it?
pleasant stroll.
Some of the hills in the Clwydian range there across the lake. That is a nice view, even through the rain spattered windows. Now back into the station, Gorsaf Ganalog. I know Gorsaf is Welsh for station. I'm not sure what Ganalog means.
Train.
Yeah.
Or building. Oh no. No, I was wrong. What was that? Yeah, I was wrong.
What were you wrong about?
A Ganalog being train. It's actually Tythe. Tythe. Ah, Tythe. Like Mike Tyson.
Okay, as we're coming in, you should see a glimpse of some of the other engines they've got here.
Firmly back in the station.
So, as well as the station, you've got a nice little museum in the Albert Barnes room. This tells you that this is a 15-inch gauge railway, and the first of these were built by this chap, Arthur Percival Haywood, for industrial use in Derbyshire. And then it was the Cagney brothers, based in New York, who were the first to promote small railways for amusement purposes in 1901. And this is the man who mainly designed this railway, Mr. Henry Greenley. Oh yeah, it is claiming here to be the oldest miniature railway. Opened to the public on the 1st of May 1911.
Oh my god. He's gonna move, isn't he? Yeah.
Oh, Simon's found Thomas.
Keep going. Come on. I presume he'll roll backwards.
Please do not touch Thomas. Yeah. Some other...
Oh, he's going backwards. I was right. I love being right.
So, it's telling us quite a few that we're still to visit here, Simon.
We'll get around to him eventually.
Yeah. And the main exhibit in the Railway Museum is this lovely engine here. And apparently it's called Billy. That is a lovely name for a train. That's a good name for a train as well.
Mm.
Right, we'll catch the train setting off. So you can see this little engine, Cagney. Oh, Cagney is American. This one is Prince Edward of Wales. And this is the one called Michael. And there's three more on the far side.
Not quite sure you can see that then.
No, but you can see that, yeah, for an enthusiast, this is somewhere to come.
Right, well, if you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and a nice comment or a nice film. We don't really care because you don't have to see in the algorithm anyway, so joke's on you. And share it with your mates if you have any. I do encourage you to come down here to Rhyl to experience this yourself, because this is actually quite a beautifully designed model railway. Certainly enjoyed my time here, so you probably will as well. Thank you. See you in the next video.